sheet metal, steel collar for a flange, diesel truck tubing, make the sheet metal fit the window track, clamp with a bracket, remove the pin, pipe rotates down, slide it right out of the flange and store it. Well above the driver's mirror if you want it to drive down the road with it on. I'm not going to do that. That would draw a bit too much attention. This is the guy that gets it all done. Van Lee. The reason I'm in Vanapolis. Shelf, water tank on the back, 3.5 gallons, shower head attached to a hose, turn it on, turn the spigot on, get a shower. Up here the window still closes. When the pipe is removed, the window closes over that flange, so you can close and lock the window while traveling. Removed, broke up the L bench and disposed of the short part that was the only one that opened up. That way we got to utilize the longer couch that opens sort of to a bed. There's much more room than the other one. So now there's more room to sit back, kick your feet up, and enjoy the warmth of a nice fire. Thank you, Mark, Rick, and Van. Without you guys, this wouldn't have happened. This is incredible. This is truly incredible. This is the way to go. Bye for now. Thank you.